Come with me to the House of Flavors event. Favorite adobo.
Ninong Ry in the house. So happy to meet him.
Dito sa Knorr. Hi, this is Hish. Hi.
Discovering the many products of Knorr and Ladies' Choice. Some are already Knorr cubes, liquid seasoning, Ladies' Choice mayonnaise, and the new ones I'm so excited to try. Got to see the star dishes of Knorr and Ladies' Choice mayonnaise on display.
Welcome to House of Flavors! And today also marks the official start
Parang may
of a year.
olives.
Yes, one collaboration with some of Unilever Foods' most loved brands. So again, we're talking about inspiration. And again, welcome to the House of Flavor. A round of
Fried rice. Sabi. Hindi ako nag-lunch sa bahay.
and being relevant to the new generation.
This beef cube is so good. Love this fried rice. May cilantro from Knorr.
Bringing our message across to our consumers in the most authentic way.
Puro
We
ulo.
know that you guys see the value in the meals and moments that matter.
Special guests, Chef Kai for Team Ladies' Choice and Ninong Ry for Team Knorr.
And this is also
Oh, with Ninong Ry.
show us your best class.
Lots of content creators are there. Photo op with Ninong Ry.
Team Ladies' Choice.
Chef Kai and Ninong Ry doing adobo cooking demo. Crew Kachu in the house too. So happy to see the people that you watch on TikTok and Instagram in person. Ninong Ry was so funny just like in his videos. Sakawa.
Hi, Missy Food Diary.
The House of Flavor event was so fun and learned something new. Hit the subscribe button for more travel and food videos. Bye!